Hello everybody, I'm here to show you how to do a citation on an image. What you need to have opened in front of you is the Google Easybib citation list that you have created, and you have seen this before. Okay, we've used it. We've used add-on Easybib citation. So today we're going to try something different. We're going to go to the tools and click on search. You will have a small window that comes up like this, and right next to in front of the search box is a drop down menu of the 6 items. When it says everything, that means it's just like a Google web page, and the second one is the images, and that's what we need to use. So click on that. I'm going to put the word pollution because that has been the topic that I have been using as an example. But before I choose an image, I'm going to go and drop down on the menu and double check this information. MLA citation style is the one that we have been using, and please make sure that it is chosen as MLA. Okay, not APA, not Chicago, but MLA. Okay, now this one where it says filter image results, you need to make sure that it is under free to use. It's because we haven't created the image ourselves, but we're using an image that someone else created and that they have given us the permission. Okay, so having that in mind, I'm going to use this particular image. It seems pretty dreadful. So the picture is hosted in the Wikipedia, and the caption says air pollution from a fossil fuel power station. There's a small box icon that I'm going to click on, which will enlarge the image for you to have a look at. This does carry some information for you, but there is a massive blue button, can you see it, where it says more details. I'm going to click on that. This will take me to Wikimedia Commons, which is a branch of Wikipedia, and it carries quite a lot of images that's already published. Now, this is the image that we are looking at, and underneath it there is a summary of things which will come very handy. Now, the image doesn't really have a title of the photo, so what I'm going to do is go to Easybib extension, click on Cite on Easybib, move that across a little bit like this. Now, first stop you need to go to is the source type. You know that this is not a piece of information that you find on on the website, so you need to go down to the part where it says digital image, and that's where it is. Okay, so the website will take you to this digital image window. The title is not given on the Wikimedia Commons, so I'm going to call it the smokestack. Name it something that is obvious, so that it can help you to identify it, and so that people who are looking at your citation list knows which image you're talking about. Now, the description, you can say twin smokestacks with smoke billowing and with blue sky in the background if you like, but there is a description given called smokestacks from a wartime production plant in the Second World War. So I'm going to copy that and include that in the description. Okay. Now, the window does ask you about the author, who has created this image, and we can tell that it is by the name of Alfred Palmer. And because it's the name of a person, we have to start with the capital letters. Okay. Now, website title, if you go to the top, it is not Wikipedia, but it's Wikimedia Commons. So I'm going to write that in. I've done that in the past. The publisher, as you know, is at the bottom of the page, and it says Wikimedia Project. I'm actually going to put Wikipedia because it's the branch of the website. Okay, the URL is the web address of the photo image and has been copied and pasted. Once again, please make sure that you have the URL displayed, and according to this website, it was published in 1942. So we're going to put the year 1942, and I'm accessing it today, which is March 25th. So we have pretty much put in everything that we can about the image information, and we're going to now create citation, which then will take you to this page. When you hover over the box, it will say click to copy and paste citation. We have seen that before, and it does inform you that you have been copied. Now, Palmer Alfred is the name, so you need to remember that Palmer has to be in the list in alphabetical order. So E-I-M-R-S. Where should the letter P go? It should go here, really. Okay, so we're going to go Control V. I've accidentally placed it twice, so I'm going to delete the second one. Okay, there you go. So we now have E, I, M, P, R, and S. Things are in alphabetical order. Please make sure you double check that. Okay, so have a go at citing the digital image that you find. If there are any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Best of luck to you, and thanks for listening.